Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use Vivo apps for WhatsApp or Facebook on Vivo Y04. If you're using Vivo Y04 and now you want to use Vivo apps on your phone, so let's see how can I do this. You just have to enable the settings. So open your settings. In settings, just go for main settings and you just have to open apps. Then select app clone or clone app in your phone. And here you just have to look for app which you want to make a clone. As I'm going to make a clone of Facebook, so we just have to tap on it to enable the settings. Now go back and you will get a clone app of your selected app. As I have selected Facebook, here's the Facebook original and here's the copy or clone app of the Facebook. So that's how you can easily use dual apps on Vivo Y04. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.